Okay, so as we were discussing about plastics, isn't it? Okay, so we are discussing about plastics and we discussed various things about plastics. Okay, why it is useful, what are its in which category we can place it. Okay, as for example, we have placed it in which group? Useful or non-useful? Useful. Okay, why useful? Yes, because it can be recycled or reused. Recycled or reused. Okay, and this is biodegradable or non-biodegradable? It's non-biodegradable. Plastics are non-biodegradable. That means it doesn't decompose with the action of water, air, soil, and even microorganisms. Okay, with the action of microorganisms also it doesn't decompose. Got it? Okay, then but why it doesn't decompose? Reason? No, it has some properties. What do you mean by properties? Gun. Okay, properties means it's gun. Okay, properties means it is durable. Okay, it doesn't decompose with air, water and microorganism, and it can be molded into any shape. Okay, and any color, we can put any color in it. And plastic are of different types. We see a thin polythene also. Okay, we see a big bucket also, we see hard plastic also. Okay, that depends upon various types of things or materials that we used. Okay, so now we are going to talk about problem caused by wrongful use of plastic. Okay, that means we talk that if we don't use this plastic properly, okay, or wisely, this plastic can cause harm to nature or the environment. Okay, that means this plastic can cause harm to nature or the environment. I have given the example of a construction of a house yesterday. Okay, that means if you throw plastic in the particular ground and if you have to construct a large infrastructure, okay, any infrastructure, house, building, pool, okay, the bridges, then what will happen? It may fall down. Okay, so wrongful use of plastics. So in wrongful use of plastic, first of all, what is written? The question that plastics are a boon or curse. Boon means, what do you mean by boon? B-O-O-N, boon and curse. Yes, good. Boon means vardhan, curse means shrap. Okay, in Hindi terminology. Okay, boon means vardhan. So it is like a vardhan only. Okay, we can say. Okay, because without plastic we can't do much work. Okay, our life will be much more harder. Okay, but it is a curse also. When we don't use it wisely, it will be a curse, a shrap. Okay, as we can see nowadays, and in some places, actually, the plastic is usually banned in hill stations. Where? Hill station. Why hill station? Yes, anyone? Smriti? Sneha? Why it is banned in hill stations mostly? No. Yes.
Because the people gather there and eat also and go there only.
No, not really, not appropriate. Yes? Anyone? Ria? No, Ria? Yes, others? Yeah. that means that places it is a hill, and hill doesn't have a constant land, it means fixed land. The soil or the mud is not constant, it's not hard. So what happens if you continue practice throwing plastic in that area? That can cause landslide. That can cause landslide. Have you heard about landslide? Okay, so how will landslide will occur? पत्थर या मिट्टी जब भी ऊपर से गिरता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? Landslide. We call it a landslide. So in hill station, mostly when people throw plastics or plastic materials, okay, the mud they slides down. Okay, the mud, what happens? They slide down, and which result in a major landslide. So at that places plastics are mostly banned. We should also ban in plains also, but in plains can you see landslide? Because we don't have hills. Okay, but still it must be minimized. The use must be minimized. Okay, now curse, boon or a curse can be debated in either way. It can be debated. Some says that it is good, some says that it is bad. So it is a point of debate. It is a point of debate. Okay, so but when we look at the problem, the use of plastic itself might not create as many problems. So the plastic itself doesn't create a problem. Okay, but as I told that the use, how we are using it, okay, how we are using it, that is the problem. Okay, that is the problem. Actually there was one saying that earthquake don't kill people. Okay, earthquake don't kill people, means भूचाल जो होता है वो इंसान को नहीं मार कैसे मारेगा? चुन चुन के मारेगा? No, he doesn't pick the persons and kill, but unsafe buildings too. Unsafe building means the buildings which are not safe. That means earthquake kill people or unsafe building kill people? Yes. Okay, but what we say? Earthquake kill 2000 people, 4000 people, 200 people, isn't it? So that is the thing. Same thing happens with plastic also. Okay, same thing happens with plastic also. Plastic doesn't cause any harm to the environment, but how we are using it, that is the problem. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, so actually the problem associated with plastic are caused due to the way we use and dispose of plastic. That means how we use it is main reason. Okay, that means how we are using it. So yesterday also we talked about I gave an example of the reducing of plastics, isn't it? So instead of taking plastic more from the shopkeeper, what you have to do? Yes, take a cloth bag and tell him or her to put the things in bag, but make sure that the soft things you don't put it at the base. Okay, as for example, if you go and buy potato and tomato, so tomato is soft, so don't put tomato at the base, otherwise what will happen? It will be crushed. Okay, so it's up to you how you will use it. Okay, got it? Okay, so let's have an example. So we generally throw plastic bags after use. These bags get into drains, sewer system and block them. That means number one, plastic blocks drainage system and sewage system, and drainage system and sewage system means the pipes. Okay, as for example you have 3 to actually in this school, suppose in school we have bathroom, okay, we have tap also. So if you throw that plastic, what will happen? It will block. Okay, the pipes will be blocked. And what will happen if the pipe is blocked? Water will flow backwards. Water will flow backwards and it will be dirty. Okay, the things will be dirty. So sewage also same thing. Sewage means a connection of pipes. Sewage means connection of waste pipes. Waste pipes. Okay, different connections of waste pipes. Got it? Okay, number one. Number two, sorry, same. As a result, dirty water may stagnate and splits over the surrounding area. Dirty water में stagnant. Stagnant means जमा हो जाता है. Okay, जमा होने को क्या कहते हैं? Stagnant. Okay, it gets stagnant and it can causes many problems. Okay, you don't want to go there. It will smell. Okay, and make you uncomfortable. Make you uncomfortable, or even may make you fall sick also. Okay. So this may becomes a breeder ground for mosquitoes also. Okay, and insects and mosquito also can breed there. Okay, breed means they give birth to new babies in the stagnant water only. Understood? Okay. So the choked drains may cause flood-like situation during rains. Okay, choked means blocked. Choked means blocked. Okay, the blocked drains may causes flood-like situation. Okay, flood-like situation means jahan tahan pani, isn't it? Okay, and that not clean water, that is a dirty water. Okay, oily water or detergent water or water that is waste. Okay, number one. Number two, used plastic bags are often used for depositing the kitchen waste or leftover foods. The stray animals looks for food may swallow such plastic bags. The plastic bags may block the food pipe and cause death of animals. As for example, the plastic polythene bags. Polythene bags which contain domestic waste. Domestic waste can cause harm to domestic animals. Domestic. Okay, that's what I am explaining you. Okay, so whatever the dirt, okay, food, okay, the food, the plastic, the cloth, okay, you have seen that many hairs in your bathroom is stuck, isn't it? Okay, so if you put that in a polythene, along with that a piece of bread, okay, which you don't eat, you put that also. Okay, roti, you put that also. Okay, you put some rice also, which is smelling, which is not good. Okay, and put it in that plastics, even your blades. Okay, blades and plastics, small pieces. Okay, you put it in that plastic and you go and throw in the garbage. And in our surrounding we have many animals like dog, cows, cats who are strayed. That means they are street dogs. Okay, street animals. Okay, so they try to find out the food in the garbage only. So what will happen if they try to eat it? They will eat the food, but at the same time the hairs will also get stuck in the mouth. Okay, the hairs will get stuck in the mouth and which result in the death. Okay, understood? So same thing, not even hairs, even plastics, even blades. It will be the blades, due to blades, their face will be cut off. Understood? So it is our responsibility to not throw things in a same garbage. In a same garbage, we have to segregate it, as we have discussed in our previous class about segregation of garbage. Okay, yes, we throw it casually, but that should not be practiced. Okay, then third one, you might have seen people burning rubber, plastic waste during winters to protect themselves from the cold. This is very harmful plastic. Okay, that means plastic rubbers and burning gives toxic and poisonous gas. Number 3, burning of plastic causes air pollution. Simple. As for example, have you seen a people, nowadays it is winter, have you seen people, they just stay in near the fire, okay, and whatever they get, they just put it in fire, be it plastic, be it that cement hood or cement bag, okay, old slippers, okay, everything they try to burn it, okay, instead of wood. They can burn charcoal also, or they can burn wood also, but they will not burn, they will burn plastic, because plastic acts as a fuel, okay. Instead of putting a fuel there, they just put plastic so that the wood will easily burn. But what happens when we burn that plastic, okay, burning of plastic, it causes fumes, when it burns, it releases poisonous gases, Which are these poisonous gases? Name the poisonous gases. Yes, can you name the few gases which comes out by burning? Anyone? It's carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Okay, these two gases. Okay, these two gases is released, and these two gases are very much poisonous. Okay, it is harmful. It can cause many diseases. Okay, lungs diseases, skin diseases, eye irritations. Okay, so that should be reduced. If there is no plastic in the garbage, what will happen? Who will burn? No one will burn. No one will burn, or everyone will burn either wood or another thing. Okay, but if there is plastic, then obviously the people will use as a fuel. Got it? Got this point? Now, last point, number 4th one. Quite often the used plastics are either used as such after washing or recycling. Such plastics may not be safe for storing eatables. Okay, for storing eatables, use bags made from approved quality plastic. That means recycled plastic cannot be used to store food. Never store food in a recycled plastic, because it is a waste, isn't it? It is a waste. We are using it again by recycling. Okay, so it's not good to use it again. Okay, for eatables, for food, especially for food. That's why in most cases, when you go to tea stall, okay, if they provide you with plastic, some people will refuse. प्लास्टिक के ग्लास में अगर कोई चाय देगा, चाय वाला, ओके, सो कोई होता है कि उसमें क्या बोलते हैं, हमको प्लास्टिक के ग्लास में मत दो, आइदर गिव इट इन अ पेपर कप और ग्लास कप. व्हाई? यस, पेपर कप इज देयर ना? Haven't you seen? Okay, you will see in a market. Okay, so why he is refusing it? He is refusing it because plastic is not good for keeping food. Okay, keeping food. Okay, it will react and cause various types of disease, mostly cancer related disease. Okay, so next time when you go to some place vacation, okay, and if that person give you in a plastic glass, okay, tea, refuse it. Say that you either give me in that mud made Okay, okay, mud made. What is that called? Mud made. मिट्टी का. हाँ. Yes, glass cup. Yes, yes. It comes. What is that called?
Pyala.
No, pyala is okay. Pyala is glass. I forgot that name. It is made up of mud only. Huh? It is made up of mud only. It is burnt. It is burnt like a brick. And gullak. It is called gullak ka chai, na? What it is called? Na, kapti is another thing. Okay. So, did you understand the thing? Okay. So, in that glass, either in bottle glass, okay, or simply glass and or paper glass. Okay, but don't use plastic things for storing foods. It should not be used. Got it? Okay, so this was all about problem caused by wrongful use of plastics.